Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to find tables with a specific column name in database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and we are going to find table with a specific column name. Now go to SQL, so click on it and we are going to add SQL query. Now paste, and you will find this query in video description or in comment section. So you can add your table schema database name. So you can add your database name here. So we are going to add R, and then we are going to add our column name. So you can add your column name here. So we are going to add student ID and then click on go, and then you see table name. We found student and teacher. So in both table we have student ID column. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.